What's up guys, it's Kay from Beyond the Box back with another video, and today we're taking a look at the RAZER KISHI. And I don't know if you guys play a lot of mobile games like Call of Duty Mobile, Minecraft, or Fortnite on your iPhone or Android device, but I do, and I've been waiting for a product to come out like this for a long time. I'm just gonna be honest with you. Recently, in I think iOS 13, they allowed Bluetooth controllers to connect to your iPhone and stuff. You could play games like Fortnite, Call of Duty Mobile with your Xbox or PS4 controller. That's cool and that's fine, but we don't always have our PS4 controllers with us. I tried to carry mine with me when I went overseas, and it was just a hassle. I mean, who carries around a controller? So with that being said, the Kishi is supposed to fix that and basically turn your iPhone or Android device into a Wii U. But with that being said, guys, I'm really excited to get right into today's video, so let's just get right into it. So let's take a look at the sides of the box really quick. I actually haven't looked at the box at all yet. It's got an ergonomic design for a comfortable handheld grip, which it really does. It's not that bad. The well, it depends on your hands. Depends on your hands and your hand size. We'll talk about that in a little bit. Ultra low latency gameplay. That is true. It's very low latency. It's very nice. Clickable analog thumbsticks. That is my biggest problem with other controllers, and I'll talk about that in a second too. Thumbsticks, blah, blah, blah. Okay, cloud gaming compatible. Okay, cool. Now let's check out the back really quick. And yeah, we see the same thing. You got the ergonomic design, seamless compatibility. It is really seamless. They got a couple adapters in the box for if you got the smaller version of iPhone or the bigger one. You're good either way. Clickable analog thumbsticks, xCloud gaming compatible, low latency gaming, and lightning port. Yeah, that's really cool too. Oh, and basically on your Android device, you'll probably have a USB Type-C spot for your charging port. I'm not exactly sure, but we're gonna go with the iPhone version today. So here's the unboxing experience. Pretty simple. I've unboxed this before because I've been reviewing it, because this is a product you should definitely be reviewing before you check out and tell everybody you want to go buy it, right? Basically, this is all you got, and it's coming with these two little rubber mounts for your iPhone on the smaller version. So let's take a look at the product itself. So it's made out of plastic, and it's got some really nice analogs in comparison to others. Now, to open it up, there's two clamps right here. So what I do to open it is I just slide these with my fingers like that, and I let my fingers drop, and then it just falls open. And then from that point, it's really easy installation, and all you do is just slide your cell phone in, iPhone or Android, swipe up, and it's basically, that's all you gotta do. That's installation. There's no app required. Actually, there's gonna be an app on the App Store at some point. I don't think it's released yet because I have this before its release date. I saw this back at CES in January, and I was really excited to take a look at it. So I've been playing with this for the past week, and I'm really excited about showing you guys some gameplay, because this is really going to change a lot of people's experiences when it comes to online gaming. I didn't really ever play Call of Duty Mobile until I honestly got this sent to me by RAZER. Thank you guys, by the way, for sending this to me, because I'm not gonna lie, Call of Duty Mobile is just as good, if not better, than Call of Duty Warzone. So with that being said, now I can actually play Call of Duty Mobile, and it's a lot easier to play and have fun. So let's get a game going, and let's see this baby in action. This is a really good product, guys. And honestly, it made Call of Duty Mobile a whole lot more fun for me. Right now we're playing Shipment 1944, 10v10, and we're about to have a lot of fun. Oh my. Basically, this thing turns you into a beast. Yeah, these guys are screwed. Oh shoot. Yeah, these guys are so screwed. I swear to you guys, if you guys get this product, you're gonna dominate in Call of Duty Mobile. So we're not gonna play any Fortnite or anything today, but we're dominating already in Call of Duty Mobile. The thumbsticks are pretty easy to use. I wanted to make a note about the thumbsticks earlier too, because I've used a product like this before, and they sold it at the Apple App Store, and I bought it back in 2018 when the PlayStation Remote Play app was barely a thing. Before the Remote Play app was even a thing, I was trying to be able to play Call of Duty and stuff on my iPhone while I was on the go. It didn't work very well for me. The thumbsticks sucked. Okay, so that was some Call of Duty mobile gameplay for you guys. As you guys saw, I was absolutely destroying everybody in the lobby because of this. Now let's open up the PlayStation Remote Play app, and let's get a game going that's not Call of Duty, so we can get some gameplay for something on the PlayStation directly. So right now I'm tapping into my PlayStation 4, which is over there, and we're turning it on, and we're about to play PlayStation 4. Okay guys, so I was finally able to turn the PlayStation 4 on, so let's try Spider-Man. Spider-Man's really quick and easy to get going. Imagine being able to play Spider-Man PS5 on something like this. Not even have to stay home and play it. You could be on a train or something, as long as you have some nice high-speed internet. See, what's really nice about this product too is it's got the lightning adapter spot for your charging port, and it's gonna charge directly through this product, and it's gonna charge your iPhone. This doesn't even have a battery that's required. I think it's just, as soon as you plug it in, it's automatically on. I don't know if it takes much power from your iPhone, but I've been able to play video games for a long time without my device dying. And plus for the most part, I just charge it anyway while I'm playing anyway. But anyway, right now we're playing some Spider-Man PS4 on the iPhone. And this is so totally playable. I haven't played this in a while, so I don't remember how to swing very well. Woohoo! But this is just nuts to me that I'm playing this on an iPhone. Isn't that crazy? Like, look at where technology has come in the past 10 to 15 years, that we're actually able to play Spider-Man on our iPhones instead of playing on the original PlayStation. If you guys ever played the original Spider-Man on the PlayStation, you guys know what I'm talking about. Leave a comment below if you're old enough to remember that game. Oop, there we go. Wow. That's basically the product, guys. I give it a 5 out of 5. This is an amazing product for somebody that wants to be able to play iPhone games or be able to play mobile games, like maybe your PlayStation on the go or maybe your Xbox in the next coming console cycle. If you guys want to be able to play games on the go, I would highly recommend you check out this product. The link's going to be in the description below. With that being said, guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys were entertained. With that being said, make sure you leave a like, hit me up on my social medias. Let me know in the comments what you want to see next on the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.